Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. We're at the Westcott, and I just wanted to show off this beautiful fitness center. We just saw that, but now we're seeing the pool. So let's see this beautiful pool. It's a gorgeous pool here. Let's take a look at it. First of all, there is some areas here, kind of a courtyard area, and let's go look at that just real briefly. That's over here. It's a really pretty pool courtyard, so it's got two grilling stations that are here. Very nice grilling station. It's got some TVs and it's got a lot of chairs here, so it's super pretty. You can see it's surrounded by just beautiful views and beautiful apartments that are here. It's got some fountains, and then here is the pool itself. The pool is very attractive. Super pretty pool. There's some grilling stations that are over there as well. Also, on the other side over here, there's another pool. So this pool is here. So there's kind of a major pool, and then there's a minor pool that's over here. You can see there's some cabanas too. So cabanas that are over here as well. So it's a very attractive pool. It's on the 4th floor, private, and it just feels great over here. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.